see. Sorry for the sound in the back. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Very late at night, 11:59. I mean 11:19, but like it feels like those assignments. I say I'm gonna stop yapping. All right, well we'll just go straight into it. We have a problem. That's an easy problem. I just randomly clicked on an easy problem so I can get rid of it quickly. Hopefully it's actually easy. Imagine if it's the hardest question I've ever done in my life. That'd be pretty unfortunate, not gonna lie. So, a video player plays a game in which the character competes in a hurdle race. Hurdles are of varying heights, and the characters have a maximum height they can jump. Okay. There's a magic potion they can take that will increase their maximum jump height by 1 unit for each dose. How many doses of potion must the character take to be able to jump all the hurdles? If the character can already clear all the hurdles, return 0. Okay. So let's say you have a height of 1, he doesn't need any. Height of 2, he needs 1. Height of 3, he needs 3 because it's 1 over here, plus 2 over here, plus 2 over here, plus 1 over here. And that makes sense. The hurdle, the characters can jump 1 unit higher initially, which that end must take... Wait. Actually, my logic might have been wrong. The character can jump 1 unit high initially and must take 3 minus 1. 2 doses of potion to be able to jump all the hurdles. Okay, so it's not like a temporary thing. Like it like boosts it. So you could see it as going through the loop, seeing what's the highest value, or you could just do the max value of it, and then you just return the max value minus 1. And that'll be the amount of potions you need to take. Complete the hurdle take function. So it has k in height. Into minimum. Returns the minimum number of doses required. Always 0 more. Okay. Yeah, it should work. Even if it's 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Type. Okay. It seems pretty simple. We'll try out my logic. We're gonna pull out VS Code over here. Though I was coding earlier. So let me just copy the function real quick. So we have the hurdle. Doesn't matter. I could write straight in here. Doesn't matter. Actually, I'm gonna write it here just to get used to it. So if I'm correct, actually I'm gonna do it in here anyways, because I want to make sure I can get the max value of a list. So we have the height, list of height, and we have k. So if we can find the max value in height, like it should be as simple as return. This might sound very stupid at first. I just want to make sure that's the case. Minus k, which is its default stats. Oh, but it could return less than negative. So if okay, so I could see some. I was rushing it. So this is my thought process right now. If the largest hurdle it has to jump is equivalent to the ability it's able to jump, then we just return 0. So let's just write that down right now. So if k is equal to the max value in height. This is my first time using the max function, so I don't even know if it's going to work correctly. But if it's equal to the max value in that list, then we know we need to just return 0. I don't know if we return a print statement. I think we just return 0 like regular. Now, else if it's not the case, then we want to check if that's like not the case, then we have to like subtract them. So we're gonna do height minus the max minus the k value is gonna give us the print. So yeah, I think it's as simple as this: return height max of height minus k. I could be mistaken. But let's try with these inputs that they gave us. 5 and 4. What is he yapping about? N and K. I don't think it matters. I think it's just 4 and this value. I don't know why they give us that, bro. It's so stupid. So we're just gonna do a print hurdle, whatever. And we're just gonna have this number first, and we're just gonna have a list over here, separated by commas. And I'm just gonna put this like that. So we have the height, and we have the integer here. Let's go run that. Pi day 3. It's not day 3, but we don't talk about it. Pi. Okay, it works. And let's just try it in here. Please work first try, or don't. It's my fault. See, it doesn't. Okay, so there's some mistakes in here. 7. Oh, I did a little oopsie. So if the K value is equal to it, I have to check if it's equal to it or larger. Might have done a little oopsie. It's always like that. Oh, silly me. Imagine that that's not the only thing I need to do. That'd be silly. That'd be pretty silly. Yeah. That was a very easy problem, guys. I know. I'm talking to myself because probably only like one person watching this video. George, shout out to you. But tomorrow, I'm gonna be much more free. Right now it's 11:30 p.m. I'm trying to like, stick with the streak, but reach day 7 soon. And yeah, we're gonna be grinding neat code mostly, leak code. Be learning some concepts. I'm also looking forward to streaming some me solving physics problems, just for my own studying cases, because I'm trying to like make this as like, I wouldn't say a diary, but like kind of like a progress documentation of me. Yeah, that's enough yapping. See you guys tomorrow.